Hello! In today's sailing tips video, Rossella and I are going to show you how to look presentable when you're living on a boat. Hanging locker storage is at a premium when you're on a boat, especially a small boat like this, and a lot of the time you end up keeping your clothes inside bags. One trick that we use to keep our clothes organised is we've got Ziploc bags like this from IKEA. I think they're actually designed for food, aren't they, darling? But yeah. We use them for clothes. And there you go. So you get your shirt out, you're ready to hit the town. But unfortunately, as you can imagine, the shirt is full of creases. But we've got a trick for you. All you need to do is get a spray bottle, put a little bit of fabric conditioner in there, maybe about yay much, and then top the rest up with water. And then all you do is spray your clothes, especially the parts that are creased. And then you just put them on, and as you wear them, they dry out and the creases just magically disappear. It smells good too. Okay, I'll put this on now. We'll leave it a couple of minutes and then we'll show you what it's like after it starts to dry out. It's been a couple of minutes since I sprayed this shirt, and as you can see, it's not fully dry yet, but the creases have dropped out, so it's quite a useful technique. And I guess for me to be presentable, all I need now is to have a shave and have a haircut.
Or obviously, if you prefer to wear your clothes dry, you can spread them on the hanger and then wait for them to be ready before wearing them. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is a challenging dress because it's very
creased. Very badly creased.
We discovered this trick watching a video of Gone with the Winds, so thank you very much, Nikki, for this useful trick. We hope you found it useful as well. And now I'm gonna do this dress because, as you can see, you definitely need it. And then we're gonna go to town.
If you enjoyed this video, then please remember to give us a thumbs up. If you're going to throw your iron away now, then leave us a comment in the comments section. And before you leave, check out the other videos on our channel. We've got sailing vlogs, sailing tips, boat recipes, all kinds of different things. If you like what you see there, then subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video, and until then, ciao!
Ciao, ciao!